Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into the Covergirl Eye Enhancers eyeshadow palette in the shade Natural Nudes. If you're someone who loves versatility and a natural everyday look with the option to amp it up for a night out, this palette may just be what you're looking for. Let's see how it stacks up. The Covergirl Eye Enhancers palette features a curated selection of neutral tones designed to give you everything from soft, daytime elegance to a more dramatic evening look. The palette includes shades that blend easily, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced makeup users. It comes in a compact size with 0.19 ounces of product, which is decent for the price. When I first tested this palette, I found that the textures were surprisingly smooth for the price point. The shades in this collection range from soft matte finishes to shimmery, light-catching hues. The pigmentation is decent, but not overpowering, which works well for those who prefer a more subtle eye look. However, those who like bold, vibrant colors may find themselves needing to layer the product for more intensity. As for blending, the eyeshadows were smooth and easy to work with, although I did find that some of the lighter shades required a bit more building up. The darker shades, on the other hand, were more pigmented and gave me great definition without being too harsh. I wore these shades during both daytime and evening outings, and they held up well, especially with a good eyeshadow primer underneath. In terms of pros, the palette is incredibly versatile, and the shades are universally flattering. The balance between matte and shimmer offers a lot of creative freedom. I also appreciate how lightweight and compact the packaging is, making it easy to travel with. The price point is another big plus. It's quite affordable for what it offers. However, there are a few cons. The lighter shades, as mentioned, require more effort to build up, and there is a slight amount of fallout, especially with the shimmer shades. For those with oily eyelids, I would recommend using a primer to ensure longevity. When it comes to value for money, this palette is hard to beat. You get a good variety of shades at a budget-friendly price. It's not the most luxurious or pigmented palette out there, but for everyday use, and if you're just getting into makeup or need a travel-friendly option, it's definitely worth considering. Compared to other eyeshadow palettes in a similar price range, CoverGirl's offering stands out for its neutral color selection and ease of use. While there are more pigmented and longer-lasting palettes out there, if you're not looking to break the bank, this is a solid choice. As for build quality, the compact feels a bit flimsy, but it's nothing that would significantly affect performance. The palette should last for a while, but like most drugstore makeup, it's best used within a year of opening. If you're after alternatives, there are several other affordable neutral eyeshadow palettes out there, like Maybelline's Nudes palette or L'Oreal's Color Reach eyeshadow palette. They offer similar shades with slight variations in texture and pigmentation. To sum it up, the CoverGirl Eye Enhancers palette in Natural Nudes is a reliable, easy-to-use product with versatile shades. It's a great choice for those looking for a natural, everyday look with a bit of flexibility for nighttime glamour. While it may not be the most pigmented palette available, the ease of use and affordability make it a solid option for beginners or those on a budget. If this review was helpful to you, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching Beautyistic. If you've tried this palette, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And remember, stay beautiful inside and out.